Hi, I'm out here at the Little River State Park in north central Vermont. I'm hiking solo today. My usual hiking buddy is out with a bad back, but I didn't want to miss this experience. I have to admit to you, I'm a tiny bit anxious. I haven't seen a single soul, been out here a while. I usually carry an emergency phone, and I don't have that with me. But despite that little bit of anxiety, it's still so extraordinary to be able to be out here all by myself. I think that I just see differently. I notice things. Big, beautiful fields of ferns, little wildflowers, this incredibly beautiful and poignant stream. I think too, I feel different when I'm out by myself. Is that true for you too? There's a way that we allow ourselves to be pulled into this incredible, sacred landscape. To go deep with it. I'm remembering John Muir said he was never lonely in nature. There was so much to keep him company. There's a way, for me anyway, when I'm hiking by myself, that I really do feel like I'm part of this extraordinary web. A small part, but an important part. I feel my neighbors all around me. I understand in a very visceral way that I'm a part of this community who can affect it for good or bad. So I'm going to continue hiking alone by myself. I hope you get a chance to do that sometime soon.